So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use some functionality in Excel called conditional formatting. Now, conditional formatting will look at the contents of a cell, either whether it's hard-coded or whether it is the result of a formula. And what it will do is it will change the format of the cell depending on the rules of the conditional formatting. So what we want to do is fill these cells here in red or green, depending on whether they are greater than or less than a value. Now, this could be useful if you've got a list of values, for example, against a period, and you want to see where you've achieved a target or not achieved a target and fill them in red or green. So the first thing that we need to do is select the range where you want to apply the formula, and what we're going to do is where one of these values is greater than or equal to 25, we're going to fill it in green, or where it's less than 25, we're going to fill it in red. So we've got the range selected. You need to click on your Home tab, and then you need to click on the conditional formatting icon, and then select New Rule. So we've got a few options here, and the one that we're going to use today is the format only cells that contain. And what you can do is select the cell value, tell it that the rule needs to look for anything that is less than, let's say, 25. And where it is, we're going to change the format so the fill is in red. And now, because black text on a red cell doesn't look very good, it's a bit difficult to see, we're going to change the font colour to white. So if we click OK, that gives us a preview of what it's going to look like. And if we click OK, we can see that these values, because they are less than 25, are filled in red. And then we want to apply the greater than 25 rule. So again, select the same range, conditional formatting, New Rule, format only cells that contain a cell value of greater than or equal to 25, and the format needs to be, the fill needs to be in green. Click OK, OK again, and we can see that these have changed. Now, if these cells were the result of a formula, as they change, the cell formats dynamically change as well. So if we change that to 12, it goes to red, and if we change that to 50, it goes to green. So hopefully you've found that useful, and if you have any questions or queries about Excel, I'd be more than happy to have a chat with you and see if I can help in some way. Thanks again.